Hi, I'm Kerry Fukunaga, and I am the director of No Time to Die. In this scene, we have Daniel Craig playing James Bond, narrowly surviving a deadly attack by Spectre at the tomb of Vesperlind. This was one of those interesting situations where the locations drove the inspiration for story. So I went on a scout trip with Mark Tildesley, our production designer, and Lena Sandgren, the cinematographer, and I really loved this bridge in Gravina. It seemed like the perfect place to run a stunt. And we had a drone and we were flying the drone around the bridge to see what could we do with it. Could it jump off it potentially? It could be like an ambush site. So just literally designed the action sequence to the locations that we were finding. This sequence was shot on IMAX, which also meant that the movements of the cameras, the ease with which we could cover multiple angles was hindered by the number of cameras we actually had. The IMAX cameras are massive. I mean, the kind of cameras when you pick them up, it makes you want to swear. But sometimes we just have to do the stunt over and over again and just move the camera around because we only had two, maybe three working IMAX cameras at that time, which is not a lot normally when you're covering a big stunt. Normally you would have like 5 cameras placed all over the place. So we had to be very, I would say, surgical about how the camera would move, how many takes we could do before we were running out of time. We see him try to outsmart them and outrun them, but they got a sense of where he's headed. We do a Texas switch. And basically you see Bond on camera, and as we pan over, it's actually a stunt double running in, not Bond, to tackle Primo on the motorcycle. And then when we cut up closer, we do that in one take. So all the punches have to land perfectly so that it looks like each one is actually connecting, when in reality, there is safety and space between them.
Blofeld sends his regards.